Hello everyone, welcome to Priceless Home Decor. My name is Monica and I want to show you how to decorate a small dining room using dinnerware and other items from the Dollar Tree. Now the two sparkling wall decors was painted by me. I bought the canvases, paint, and glitter from Michael, so please come back on Tuesday and see just how I made them. Now let's get started on decorating the table. Now I'm using placemats that I already had, but I bought the green fabric from Joann's. I bought a half a yard. The original price was $6.99 and 40% off of that. So I got a good deal on the fabric. I picked green because green symbolizes growth, good health, generosity, hope, renewal, relaxation, just to name a few. This year I have been feeling all the above. The 4 chargers that you see here were bought from the Dollar Tree, $1.25 per charger. Here I have 4 plates, 4 salad plates, and 2 bowls, all purchased from the Dollar Tree. I added the 3 candle holders with the tea lights inside, all purchased from the Dollar Tree. The silverware that you see here, of course, I already had, and the glasses was purchased 25 cents a piece from the thrift store. The big vase that you see here was purchased from a thrift store. I may have paid like $5.99 for it, but the flowers inside of the vase was purchased from the Dollar Tree. And one bunch of flowers costs, of course, $1.25. The green napkins was just cut from the fabric, and I DIY'd the napkin holders. Moving right along to my wall decor, this beautiful cross. Now everything that you see on this little shelf right here came from the Dollar Tree except the little cross on the bottom shelf. The only items I had to purchase for this dining room makeover was the fabric, the canvases, and the material for the canvases, the flowers, and the chargers. Everything else I bought back when the Dollar Tree was $1. This dining room makeover was very inexpensive and it came out beautiful. I just enjoyed doing this makeover. I hope you like it too, and please come back and watch more of my videos. Until the next time, my butterflies, be safe. Right here, I DIY'd these beautiful gold leaf napkin holders. Please subscribe, like, and turn your notification bell on. And thank you so much for watching.